Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Creating your dream home is an exciting journey that involves blending personal style with the latest design trends. As we move into 2024, interior design continues to evolve, offering fresh ideas and innovative approaches to crafting beautiful, functional spaces. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or just looking to refresh your home's aesthetic, these 5 interior design tricks will help you achieve a space that is both stylish and uniquely yours. Embrace sustainable and eco-friendly design. Sustainability is a leading trend in 2024, reflecting a growing awareness of our environmental impact. Incorporating eco-friendly materials and practices into your home design not only contributes to a healthier planet but also adds a unique, organic touch to your space. Choose furniture and decor made from reclaimed wood, bamboo, cork, or recycled materials. These options not only reduce your carbon footprint but also add natural beauty and texture to your home. Replace traditional incandescent bulbs with LED lighting. LEDs are more energy efficient and have a longer lifespan, helping to reduce energy consumption and costs. Additionally, consider installing smart lighting systems that can be controlled remotely and adjusted for different moods and activities. Incorporating indoor plants improves air quality and adds a touch of nature to your interiors. Plants like spider plants, snake plants, and pothos are not only beautiful but also easy to care for and effective at purifying the air. Create multifunctional spaces. As living spaces become more flexible, the need for multifunctional areas is increasingly important. Design rooms that can adapt to various uses, making your home more versatile and efficient. Invest in furniture that serves multiple functions, such as a sofa bed, an extendable dining table, or a storage ottoman. This approach maximizes the use of space and enhances practicality. Use furniture placement to create distinct zones within open-plan spaces. For example, a strategically placed bookshelf or sofa can delineate a living area from a dining or workspace, creating a sense of order and purpose. Design rooms that can easily transition between different functions. A guest bedroom can double as a home office with the addition of a fold-down desk and a comfortable sleeper sofa. By designing flexible spaces, you ensure your home meets all your needs. Incorporate bold colors and patterns. 2024 is all about embracing bold colors and patterns to create dynamic and visually stimulating interiors. Whether through paint, wallpaper, or textiles, integrating vibrant hues and striking patterns can add personality and energy to your home. Choose a bold color or patterned wallpaper for an accent wall to create a focal point in any room. This technique adds depth and interest without overwhelming the space. Incorporate pieces of furniture in bold colors or with unique patterns to add character to your rooms. A brightly colored sofa or a patterned armchair can serve as a statement piece that draws attention and adds flair. Mix and match different patterns and textures in your textiles. Combine pattern throw pillows, rugs, and curtains to create a rich, layered look that adds warmth and coziness to your home. Maximize natural light. Natural light is a key element in creating bright, welcoming interiors. Maximizing natural light not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home but also promotes well-being and energy efficiency. If possible, incorporate large windows and skylights into your home design. These features flood your space with natural light, making it feel more open and airy. Strategically place mirrors and reflective surfaces to bounce light around the room. This trick can make spaces appear larger and brighter, enhancing the overall ambience. Choose light, sheer fabrics for curtains and blinds to allow maximum light penetration. Avoid heavy, dark drapes that block light and create a gloomy atmosphere. Personalize your space. Your home should reflect your personality and taste. Personalizing your space with unique decor, art, and meaningful items makes it truly your own. Showcase collections of items that have personal significance, such as travel souvenirs, family heirlooms, or artwork. These pieces add character and tell a story, making your home feel more lived in and loved. Invest in custom art or decor pieces that resonate with your style. Whether it's a commissioned painting, a handcrafted piece of furniture, or bespoke textiles, custom items add a unique touch to your interiors. Incorporate DIY projects into your home design for a personal and creative touch. From hand-painted furniture to homemade decor items, DIY projects allow you to express your creativity and customize your space. Biophilic design. Biophilic design is a trend that focuses on creating a connection with nature within your home. This approach incorporates natural elements into the interior, fostering a sense of well-being and tranquility. Use natural materials such as wood, stone, and bamboo throughout your home. These materials not only add aesthetic value but also create a calming, organic environment. Incorporate indoor gardens or green walls to bring nature indoors. These features improve air quality and add a vibrant, living element to your space. Adding a water feature, such as a small indoor fountain, can enhance the sense of tranquility in your home. The sound of flowing water has a soothing effect and adds a touch of luxury. Open floor plans. Open floor plans continue to be popular in 2024, promoting a sense of openness and enhancing the flow between different areas of the home. This design approach encourages interaction and creates a spacious, airy feel. Remove unnecessary walls and barriers to create seamless transitions between living, dining, and kitchen areas. This open layout allows for better communication and interaction among family members and guests. Use consistent flooring materials throughout open-plan areas to unify the space. This creates a cohesive look and enhances the sense of continuity and flow. Choose flexible furnishings that can easily be rearranged to accommodate different activities and gatherings. Modular furniture and movable partitions allow you to adapt the space to your needs, making it versatile and functional. Creating your dream home in 2024 involves embracing new trends while staying true to your personal style. By incorporating sustainable materials, designing multifunctional spaces, embracing bold colors and patterns, maximizing natural light, personalizing your space, connecting with nature through biophilic design, and integrating smart home technology, you can create a home that is both chic and functional. These design tricks will help you transform your living environment into a beautiful, comfortable, and uniquely you space that you'll love for years to come.